Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So how are you all? Hope you are fine, doing well in your life. May Allah shower His blessing on you. Amin. I am Sayyida and you are watching Sayyida Bucket List. So before starting today's video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon. So today's video is about calligraphy. More specifically, you can say scarecrow calligraphy. So let's start. For better understanding, turn on English captions.